So you're thinking about becoming a certified Agile coach, but you're not sure if this is the right path for you. Perhaps you're wondering if the Agile Companies course is for you the best choice. Maybe you're worried it'll be too theoretical, too long, or maybe just not practical enough. Allow me to clear some things up for you in just a couple of minutes. The ICP ACC certification is a sought-after certification for anyone who wants to start offering their services or validate their skills as an Agile coach. There is no doubt that the certification opens doors, and by choosing the Agile Companies course, you're also making sure you are choosing to learn skills beyond the foundational objectives defined by IC Agile. The course the Agile Company has designed for this certificate is known for the fundamental mindset shift it enables and practical deep coaching knowledge it teaches you. This course risks being more than just a great learning experience. It may actually become a transformational experience on how you see your role as Agile coach and how you could effectively influence the entire system connecting to the Agile teams that you are coaching. So why train with us? First, our approach is all about you. No endless slides, no buzzwords, no boring presentations, no monologues. We start from your real-world context, work in small interactive groups, and give you personalized feedback and advice that will allow you to support your self-organizing teams towards high performance. Second, our trainers are real Agile coaches, and they're all professional ICF coaches as well, actively practicing in the field. We're not teaching theory we do not apply ourselves. And most importantly, we focus on the human behind the coach. Your mindset, your fears, your posture, your experience, all of that matters just as much as tools or framework. We start by helping you understand the different competencies an Agile coach must maintain, such as be an effective facilitator, an expert in your field, a learning and development designer, and of course, a professional coach. We then start by teaching you the foundational yet powerful skills any professional Agile coach must master, such as powerful questions, active listening, and helping the client or the team build solutions that fit their context before we take those same qualities and apply them to the overall team coaching mastery. We then cover mentoring conversations and how they differ from coaching. We learn techniques, how to understand where your team is in respect to maturity towards self-organization and Agile knowledge. We discuss systems awareness, emotional intelligence, how to design and facilitate powerful team coaching interventions during times of conflicts, for example, or when your team needs to grow a bit faster. And of course, we will teach you how to build interactive and experiential learning programs for your teams and leadership. Throughout the course, you will be requested to practice coaching with a peer from class, just so you can deepen your reflection and learning from the course as we go along. And everyone who has been part of our courses has made us aware that that was the one ingredient that makes this particular class so transformative. I hope you now see why it's best to take this course as a progressive integration of deep learning and application. You learn, you apply, you reflect, you learn, you apply, you reflect step by step. Another great advantage you'll get by working with the Agile Company is our community spaces, where you'll find an extra e-learning part for you to work through if you'd like. Your notebook, your reference materials, and of course an entire community of coaches and Agile coaches to learn from and with in our many free community workshops and events. Did I hear you say you wanted more advantages? Well, here is one more. This course is accredited by IC Agile for your ICP ACC certificate, but it's also accredited as part of our ICF Level 1 and Level 2 tracks, leading to their respective ACC or PCC credential. So perhaps you're asking yourself, what if I'm not good enough to fit the cohort? What if I don't feel like a coach yet? Or what if I don't have the level of Agile knowledge yet? What if Agile becomes obsolete tomorrow? What if I can't help teams that resist change? Now, these fears are completely valid, but they don't define your learning journey. And they're exactly what we'll work through together in this course. By the end of this journey, you'll feel aligned, equipped, and confident in your role as Agile coach. And not only in what you know, but also in who you are as a coach. So if you're ready to level up and truly embody the Agile coaching mindset, join us on this course. This isn't just a training, it's a transformational experience. It is built to help you grow with care, clarity, and connection. Let's get started.